Hi guys, I'm Rita. In this episode, I will show you how you can mark a particular customer invoice as paid. You can go through banking and add information there, but to mark particular invoice as paid, you need to go to sales and invoice list. From here, for example, invoice 1008 has been paid, partial in this case. We can record payment by clicking record payment. And I have received £1,000, not whole amount. Whole amount of invoice is 1,350, but I have received only 1,000. Record an amount what you have received. Select the payment date. Payment method, I had bank remittance. And select the bank account if you have multiple bank accounts here. Add the reference, I will put a deposit. If you have any other notes to add there. You can attach a file like remittance advice, and we can also send a thank you note for this payment to our customer. Record payment. So now when we go back to our invoice, balance due is 350 left. When I click on this transaction, payment received, it's showing here, remittances added here. We can edit, for example, if instead of 1,000 there was 1,100 or typo issue, that can be edited here. Okay, and email received, payment received, this is a message what would be received. So this is a way how you can record payment to a particular customer invoice on Zoho Books accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me.